Hello guys, welcome back. In our previous video we integrated the natural log of x using integration by part, and we were also asked to integrate natural log of x squared. So that is what we're going to do. So let's write it down here. The natural log, integral of natural log of x all squared dx. So let me zoom in so you guys can see. So in this case, we're going to use differentiation by part as we did for the previous one. We're going to let, in this case too, we have only one term, that is the natural log of x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another term as we did for the previous one. So we're going to have natural log of x squared multiplied by 1 dx. Now we'll go ahead to assign our u and our dv. We usually assign our u to the term that we can easily differentiate, and we assign our dv to the term that we can easily integrate. So we're gonna let our u, in this case this one will be very easy to differentiate. We don't know how to integrate that one. So we let our u be equal to natural log of x squared. Therefore du from the chain rule, we will multiply 2 by that, then we repeat our function and we subtract 1 from it, then we multiply by the differentiation of what is inside the bracket, which is 1 over x dx. This is the chain rule from calc 1. Then we have dv to be equal to 1 dx. If you do integrate this, we get v is equal to x. Oh my gosh, x, alright. So now we know from our formula up there that we multiply the u by the v minus the integral of v du. So that's what we're going to do. We multiply by u by our v, which is x to bracket natural log of x squared minus the integral sign of du times v, which is 2 natural log of this times that, but we can factor out the 2, and we have natural log of x divided by x multiplied by this x here dx. This guy here will cancel that guy here, so you have x into bracket natural log of x squared minus 2 natural log of x dx. But if you do remember this guy, if you do remember this guy right here from our previous video, this is natural log of x, the integrator of natural log of x, and that was what we did in our previous video, which is right here. That's what we did, and we arrived at this answer. So this is the answer we arrived at. So there will be no need for me to go through again. If you did not watch the previous video, you can go ahead and do that. I will just substitute this guy right here for that guy. Substitute this guy right here for that guy because we already solved for it. So I will say that, let me zoom in again so you can see. I will say that our final answer will be x to bracket natural log of x squared minus, we have 2 in front, then I will use that guy right there from our previous problem. So that one was x. It was x into bracket again, natural log of x minus 1, bracket close. So we have double brackets here. And we have our plus c. So in this case, we've solved the problem, but you can go ahead and, try to make it look good, or like simplify it further. But that is no calc, that is no calc tool, that is the college algebra. So in this case, I can say I have x here, I have x there, so x is a common on both sides. I can take x out, and I'll have this guy here squared minus 2 into bracket natural log of x minus 1 plus c. So you can go ahead and leave your answer like this if you want, because usually people will go ahead and be playing with the natural log, because of like the rules with natural log and stuff like that. But if you leave your answer like this, you solve the problem and you should be good. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you.